Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new space in the Zen browser to save tabs in that space and to navigate between these spaces and to organize your browsing behavior, for example. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the Zen browser, you will find the spaces. For instance, if you have created already several of them here in the bottom left corner, highlighted by these dots. If you hover a mouse over it, you will see the name of the given space. In that space, for example, there hasn't been opened any tab yet. You can create a new one here, navigate to the website you like, or navigate back to the other space. To create such a space, hover your mouse over a space here, expand it if needed, click into the three dots, and there guys you will see the list of spaces. Now we can create a new one by clicking into this button, and then as you can see the third dot has been added to that list. You can give it a name here, my example space 1. You may change the icon here, you may assign a profile, edit the color theme. Let us skip all of that and click into create space here to finish the creation, and you will see the title of the space here with all listed tabs below so that you may navigate through these spaces. And the default or the default space that can't be deleted, space 1 or space simply, features this list here. So if you click into these three dots, you will be given the opportunity to navigate through your spaces also there, to unload them, to create ones, to delete a space. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we catch you later.